Hey everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So we are on, I do believe, episode 4 of organizing pockets, tucks, tags, unfinished projects, etc. So we're going to get into, this is the next hot mess of a box. I did go ahead and get another shoebox cleared out and got just our tags. These are finished tags in it. And then I left all the other things. Whoop, nope, that's not a tag. In the other one. And it's still pretty much full, guys. So we are going to go ahead. I think I'll just leave these here. And we will go ahead and just start pulling out here. And see what we have. Trying to get these organized. I hope you are all doing well today. Okay, so these are some kind of cards here. Alright, we got a little baggie of some Tim Holtz people. That's all ephemera. I don't even know why, for the life of me, I've shoved all of this in there like that. Okay, so that's, we're going to call this unfinished because we need something in there. It's really pretty. Don't think I made that. Not sure, guys. Have no idea. So that goes in unfinished. Here we have some tissue paper. Just a piece of dyed paper. This, I think, could use some more embellishments there. Guest checks. This, let's see. I did not make these. They need some embellishments, so we're going to call them undone. That needs embellishments. Probably going to need another one for the embellishments. It's just a little card. Isn't that cute? And then here, let's see, what is this? I have no idea what this is. Just moved. Okay, so that's some postcards. And these can be tags. These are tags. So they're like pre-made tags. So I know where I want to put those. I have a spot for those. So we have another tag. This, our sack. This was a sack from Amy over at Crafty Cat with, it looks like, some freebie fun stuff in it. Okay, this is, let's see, that's going to be unfinished. But you know what? I think this may work in our Tim Holtz. So we will put it with the Tim Holtz stuff. So let's see, what is this here? I think this is done. I think this was one of the Rachel at Roxy Creations. So we will put it in the done pile here. And this was another one. And I also think we can get this to work with Tim Holtz. So we're going to put it with there. And here are some finished tags. So those will go in here with our tags. And let's see, that's a pocket. Let's see, we're going to call it done. That was going to be a pocket, undone. So was this one. So we got some skinny things going on around here. And yep, there's another one. Okay, it looks like this was some more of Rachel's at Roxy Creation. This says it's a flip out. I think that, well, flip out, it's not a tag. So we'll put it over here in the finished. Pretty antique script, journal cards, week 37. Okay, so these are all done. Journaling cards here. And then we have journaling card there and a tag. Put those over there. Let's grab another handful. So this was probably one, but I don't know from what week, but those are done journaling cards. So what we may have to do next is this box, organize it again with like pockets and flip outs and things like that in one. And then journaling cards, and then little things like this little booklet in another one. Things to like fill pockets with in a different one. Okay, here's another one. Here's some more tags that are done. We just have tags galore. So this is a pocket with that vellum. So that's done over here. We have some more done tags. That there. Now, this is shaped like a tag, but it's actually a booklet. So we are, oh, is that Tim Holtz? Yep. So these right here need to go with our Tim Holtz. Good. We're getting up some stuff for that. Very exciting. Okay, what were these? Those are not backed, so those are undone, so it doesn't matter what they are. Okay. Got a little slide there, scrap paper. Okay, these are where I tore off the facing of cards, but we can use those, so. Alright, so these are more bags of Tim Holtz people. I think I had separated all these out, guys, to put them in my Etsy shop. Never did it, so there's that. Okay, it looks like we have some vintage buttons here. Alright, let's get us another handful. This, I think, is batting. So we got that shoved in there somehow. Scraps. This, I think I was just practicing. We're going to put this with our Roxy's Journal of Stitchery, I believe. So we'll put it there. These are avocado dot index cards from Denise over at Wonderbar Crafts. You have what looks like, that may need to be reinforced some more, but an unfinished pocket. Scraps. Look, I have a real leaf, guys. Just some cardboard. More cardboard. This that I made, these are those little wooden stick things, guys, that you stick in plants. And I just covered them and embellished them. Aren't those cute? So we're going to call that done, because those are done. A journaling card. These can be journaling cards. They're all done. They are printed postcards. So those can go in here. This is a little journal that I bought from somewhere because I did not make this. Not sure. This looks Tim Holtzy. This right here could actually be put in with a journal though. So we're going to put it over here. This is a note. This is from Melody. Purchase I had made over at her shop. So that needs to go in my correspondence journal. And I think she made this. So this is a little flip here. So we will put that with a done ephemera. But I think that's going to go in one of my journals because I do have the stuff for a prayer journal. So that would look good in there. Okay. This was guest design team project for Bonnie. The creative paper moth. September. And this was her stationery kit. So that was that. So that's a flippy. It's ready. And this one's also a flippy pad. It is ready. So that isn't done. Oh, this is ephemera stuff. Okay, this needs to go with our fall stuff. So I will put it down there. This is just cardstock. This is autumn, so that will go with that. Scrapbooking paper. That had to be from Jovi over at Creating with Jovi. But that is an envelope. We can decorate that, so we'll call that unfinished. Some cards here. A napkin. I have a place for napkins, so we'll set it there. This was a card Thank you. So it's from Pam. We did a swap and glue. So that needs to go in the correspondence journal. So we'll put that there with those. Okay, this is just a little flip thing. I'm going to call that one done. And another napkin for there, and another napkin. This is a bag, but it looks like it's seen better days, so we'll just put it over there. Oh, and this is a card, and that I had made, handmade by Lori at Enchanted Dreams 71. Okay, here's some more cards that we made. So I think I'm going to find a separate place with these, because these go out with my Etsy orders. They are actually handmade cards that I made to send out with those. So we have those here. So, we'll set those there. Okay. And we have some pink flower petals. Okay, guys. Looks like we're getting down to the wire. I think something just fell on the floor. Have little person. Is that a Tim Holtz person? Okay, you get over there. There's a sack. I actually have a drawer that I put my sacks in, so yep, all of this looks like just different ephemera and stuff and stuffies. Oh yeah, I don't know why I'm stacking this up here, because we had this to put this stuff in. So this we will go through next from, oh, Tim Holtz people all just fell in the garbage can. Get out of there. We will go through this and separate it for where it goes. Still got stuff falling down on me over here. Okay, that is correspondence journal. But yeah, we'll separate it by like things like this that's ready to go in a pocket, and things that are not. Okay, this is paper. Piano paper. Wallpaper. Florentine paper. Ephemera. This is 1934. That's pretty cool. Just a book page. Looks like what most of this is. Just shoved it in there, I guess. That looks like another prescription, 1911. Okay, so here is a envelope that's completed, we shall say. And it's a belly band, or what is this? Yep, that's a belly band. We'll call that done. And undone envelopes. I have no idea what I was making here, guys, but this was something about a vape or something. I have no idea. But I used it to make this pocket thing with. Looks like it's coming apart there too, so who knows if that'll actually survive. It's ephemera from 1939. Book page. And this needs to go with my Valentine stuff. Bridge book. And this is a thank you die cut I was using. Now this actually goes with Etsy orders, so that can go there. And this is just a pack of that smell good stuff you can get from the Dollar Tree, or the $1.25 tree, whatever it is they call it these days. What is this? This is a note from Stephanie at Thread and Glue. So that's correspondence journal. It's a little flippy pad, but it needs something on the front, so we're going to call that undone. We're going to have enough undone stuff. And this right here really needs to go in my ideas journal, because this is a 3-ring thingy ephemera holder that I made. So this one right here, I actually ended up picking it up at a thrift store, but I used this as a template, and we actually made one together on camera. So yeah, I need to get a correspondence journal. I mean a ideas journal to put that in. Okay, so it looks like we are, look, there's another die cut. What are you doing, Lori? And these are, okay, little cards for flowers at a funeral. Isn't that morbid? And a little piece of this stuff. Okay, that could be shoved in there. Okay, guys, that is another one cleaned out. Let's see where we time-wise. Alright, so I know where the sacks are going to go. So let's get these paper clips in here. There they go. And then here, we'll put that here because we have to sort out that hot mess. Put this die cut with my die cut. Those sticky notes can go in the garbage. Alright guys, I think we have made, oh there's the other, nope, that's die cut there. I think we've made good progress. So, we have, of course, some more stuff to do, but I think we have come a long way as far as getting everything organized and kind of grouped together. We just need to go through this. So all of this is done. Look at that. That shoebox is packed full. And all of this is done, ephemera, ready to go in journals from pockets. Can't speak, guys. It's still early. It's like 5:03 a.m. and I've been up since 2, a little before 2 actually. But yeah, this old lady just can't sleep here lately. Let's put that back there. Okay, so yeah, so we have all of this ready to go in our journals for this year. So that is exciting to have it all condensed down and actually see what we have. So yeah. Alright guys, so not a long video, certainly not 30 minutes, but I think we have, of course, made some really good progress. So we're going to go ahead and call it a video on this one. I will get this Tim Holtz stuff and B stuff with in their project boxes, I guess, because I have both of that stuff in boxes. Get these because I don't think I have anything else like that we need to go through. I have lots of ephemera and stickers and packaging and all of that stuff that we need to tackle. It is a hot mess still behind me and beside me, so yeah. But we've made good progress. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me. I definitely appreciate your support. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.